it's me, Amber. Welcome back. I'm super excited to tell you all about this new course, and it's one that I've been working on for a while. This course is everything you need to know to have amazing, crisp, clean, long-lasting microblading results, which is what we're all here for, right? As you guys know, I truly believe that the key to large-scale growth and business success has to do with marketing and business strategy. However, you do need the foundation of some technique. I do believe you can be successful without amazing technique as you're working on it, but we need some foundation, right? So in this course, I'm gonna be telling you my 3 techniques to get amazing results. I always tell people microblading is really simple. I can teach anyone to do it. And I know what you're thinking, it's definitely not simple. I'm not saying it's easy. It is 100% hard, but it's simple. There are 3 things you need to do. That's it. That's gonna help you get amazing results, and all you have to do is practice them. So I'm gonna give you those 3 things, and I'm gonna help you through the process, through our book, our video, and then you're gonna practice them with your workbook, and you'll be well on your way to amazing microblading results. So let's jump in. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to help you launch your business.